Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable notification reminders on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on advanced settings. After click on advanced settings, you will see click on repeat notification alerts and turn on this button. After turn on repeat notification alert, you will see notification reminder is enabled and click on app to repeat alerts. So you will see, for example, select app, camera, email and Google. You will see notification reminder is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable notification reminder on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.